Lesson 7. How to create different shaped parts. In this lesson, you will learn how to create parts that have different shapes, like block, sphere, in other words, a ball, a wedge, corner fits, a cylinder. There are two ways how you can create those shapes. It's very easy and fast. Alright. So open up your Roblox Studio and I'm going to show you how you can create different parts with different shapes. So up here we have the menu and you have here a model. You click on the model and once the model, you can see that it is changing the content in here. So I click on the model and here we have a parts. It looks like a little block. You can click on this one. It will show up you a pop-up, and in this pop-up we have the part and we can choose different shapes. So if I click on the block, it created a block here. That's the block. You have seen this one previously in our previous episodes. If you create another part, let's say a sphere, you can see it's a ball. You can make it bigger one. You have a cylinder, etc. There you go. That's how you make models with different shapes. So there's also a second way how you can make different shaped parts. The first one was to create here in the pop-up in the model view. But the second method is to use a properties view. So if I click on the part, you already know the Explorer view, open up a properties window and you go to the view, you select properties, and now the properties window is open. You also know what is the properties window because in the previous lessons we talked about it. So if you don't know, go check it out. In the properties view, once this part is selected, you can see this is selected here. Here we have a shape property. Let's scroll it down and let's find it. So it's down here. So you have to scroll a little bit and read where it is. So here is the sphere attribute or property. And here you can change what it is. So if I change into a ball, it becomes a ball. If I click it on the wedge, it becomes a wedge. So that's how you do different shaped parts. So once you have all the objects and parts made, you can start the game and you can run around in the game. And as always, we need to finish the lesson with a task because that's the only way how we can learn. So create an obby game using all the shapes. Take 30 minutes. And I say all the shapes because that's how you really learn to know the meaning of different shapes and where you can use them. Once the obby game is ready, play the game and perhaps you can even show it to your friends and show to me as well. Thank you for watching and a lot of cool lessons are upcoming.